Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lucidity for All. My name is Youri Zaritski, as you know already probably. If not, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss on my upcoming content. And the upcoming content is genius because it's free and you're gonna learn how to shift into lucid dreams and astral projections on your own before the year end 2022. So we have the whole program that has already started. The first video was about the dream memory, and today's subject is gonna be how to plant the seed of the shift and what does it mean. So that will be the easiest technique for you to achieve a lucid dream or astral projection.